Hello, in this video, let us discuss the fundamentals of Python programming needed for data science through objective type question. Which of the following is the correct approach to fill missing values in the case of categorical variable? Here, mean is used only for numerical values. Median is also used for numerical values. And mode is used for categorical values. Mode is indicating the frequency of occurrence. So, mode is used to fill the missing values in the case of categorical variable. Assume a Pandas data frame df cars which when printed is as shown below. Based on this information, answer questions 2 and 3. Of the following set of statements, which of them can be used to extract the column type as a separate data frame? So here, this is the type column. We have to extract only this one from this complete data frame. Here, type is the categorical variable. So df cars square brackets type. This will extract the type column from the data frame and it will be stored as data frame. So this option is correct. In the second option, it is used to retrieve integer values. So this may not be used. Then df underscore cost dot locate. Here, double colon indicates that all rows in the column type should be extracted. So this will also extract the type column and the returned value will be a data frame. So these two options are correct. Let us see the next question. The method df underscore cost dot describe will give description of which of the following column? Car name, brand, price, all the above. Car name is categorical value. Actually, the describe method will provide the mean value, maximum value, minimum value, etc. For a categorical variable, we may not find those things. So this is not correct. Similarly, brand is not correct. And only for price column, the description will be provided. That is mean value, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, then quartile values will be provided for this price column only. So this is the correct answer. Which pandas function is used to stack the data frames vertically? pd.merge. So merge will be merging the values as columns. So it will horizontally expand. And pd.concat, that is concatenation, that will arrange the data frames vertically. So this is correct. Then join operation will join horizontally. So the second option is correct. Which of the following are libraries in Python? That is Pandas, Matplot library, NumPy. All these are libraries. So the correct answer is all the above. Read the flavors of cocoa.csv file as a data frame df underscore cocoa and answer the questions 6 to 9. The description of features or variables is given below. That is ID is serial number, company, bean origin, review date, year in which chocolates were rated, cocoa percent, company location, and rating. Which of the following variable have null values? For that, we have to read this database and we have to execute some programs. Then only we will be able to find out this. So to find out the null values, you apply is null. So let us see that program. The data set is available in this location. First, I am reading it using read underscore CSV and this program df underscore coco dot is null. That is null function will check the complete data frame, and if there is any null value, that will be counted. And I am using the sum function also. So the number of null values will be displayed. You see here, I am executing that. So ID doesn't have any null value, company doesn't have any null value. But if you see the review date, there are four null values. So only that review date has null values. So this is the correct answer, review date. Then which of the following countries have maximum locations of cocoa manufacturing companies? See, for that also we have to run some code. df cocoa within square brackets company locations. This value count will count the number of locations. Let us execute this. The companies have been located in many places, and value counts will give the number of companies in each location. So USA has 764, France has 156, like that. The question is, which of the following countries have maximum locations? So USA has maximum locations, so 764. So the correct answer is USA. After checking the data summary, which feature requires a data conversion considering the data values held? Rate, review date, company, etc. So here we have to check the data types. So use this code df underscore coco dot data types. Execute this. See here, ID is integer, company is object, that means a string. P in origin is also string. Review date is indicated as float, but for date, float number is not suitable. You can use a string or integer. So float is not correct. So only we have to convert the data type of the review date. So the correct answer is review date. What is the maximum rating of chocolates? So here, if you see the data set, the last column is rating. What is the maximum rating given in this? So to find out that, you run this code, df underscore coco rating, that is the column name, and dot maximum. So let us execute this. You are getting the rating as 5. So let us see the options. We have 5. So this is the correct answer. So what will be the output of the following code? Import numpy as np, b is equal to true to pre np dot nan, that is not a number, then false. Type I for I in B. So you have to take each element from this list and find out the type. Actually, true is Boolean value, and this 2 is integer, and this is float. So Boolean integer float. So if you take Boolean integer float, now come to this one, np dot nan. Not a number means if you don't know the type of this, you leave it. Come to this one. This is string that we know, because np dot nan, not a number, is not integer, it is float. So this is not correct. This is not correct. Here also Boolean integer. Actually, this is float, but they have given it as integer. So this is also not correct. So the first option is correct. Let us fill up those answers. So for the first one, mode. For the second one, this is correct and this is correct. I location is wrong. Okay. And for describe, price will be considered. Then for stacking, concatenate all the above for 5. And here, which of the following variable have null values? Review date and this one, which of the following countries have maximum locations? USA. Then after checking the summary, which features requires data conversion? That is review date. What is the maximum rating of chocolate? 5. What will be the output of the following code? The first option.